Hi children, today we are discussing about the checking subtraction using addition. Before class we are discussing about addition and subtraction together. Okay, addition and subtraction together we discussed. This class we are discussing about the checking subtraction and using addition. See, we are finding the difference of the two number. Then whatever we got the difference, then we have to add it will become the same number. Like this, we have to do the subtraction. See, checking subtraction. Checking subtraction using addition. Using addition. This is the process we will stop it today. See how to find the difference and how to do the checking, how to do addition. See, for example, find the difference between 43897 and check with addition how to see difference means what we have to do subtraction from the bigger number to smaller number. See here, writing here bigger number, we have to this one we have to arrange in vertical method or column method. Whatever he gave, 8,34,863. Okay, 8,34,863. Next one it will be 4, 7, 9, 8, 3 and 4. See. Okay, now we have to do the subtraction. Difference means what? We have to apply the subtraction symbol. Then from the right to left we have to do from 3, 4 we can't remove. Okay, then we have to take order from the before number. Before number is a 6. This way how to 6 is become a 5. Here to here will become 10. 10 plus 3 is a 13. The value it will be is a 13. 13 minus 4 is a 9. 13 minus 4 is a 9. Okay, next place value it will be is a become 6 is become 5. From 5 we can't remove 7. 5 from 5 we can't remove 7. Then we can take out the borrow from the 8. 8 is become a 7. Then 5 is become a 15. Borrow value is 10. Already before number 5 is there. 10 plus 5 15. 15 minus 7. 15 minus 7 will be easy 8. Okay, 15 minus 7 is a 8. Again we have to take out this one. Then 8 it will be 9. See from here 4. Take borrow from 7 can't remove 9. Then take out the borrow. 4 is become a 3. Then 7 is become 17 because of borrow value is 10. Already 7 is before number is there. 10 plus 7 it will be 17. 17 minus 9 is a 8. 17 minus 9 is 8. From 3, 8 we can't remove. Then take out the borrow from the before number. 3 is become a 2. 2 it will be 3 is become 13. 13 minus 8 is a 5. 13 minus 8 is a 5. Then it will be is a 7. From 2 is 3 can't go. Then take out the borrow. Then 8 is become 7. This 2 it will be become a 12. 12 minus 3 is a 9. Then 7 minus 4 is a 3. We got the difference between how much? 3,95,889. Difference between these two is we got it will be 3,95,889. 3,95,889. Then we have to take out here. Now what is asking? Answer, check with addition. We are doing correct or wrong. Then we have to do. Then down the smaller number, what is there? Then we can save the number, we can write. Then difference should be right up. Difference we have to write up. Whatever we got difference, it will be how much? 3,95,889. 3,95,889 difference. This one we can write the difference. Difference 3,95,889. Then we can write here. Then the whatever it will be is there. Which one is there? 7, 4, 7, 9, 8, 3, 4. Then whatever we are adding, whenever we are adding these two numbers, we will, whenever we are applying this addition symbol, we got the whatever upper hand, it will be bigger number, we will get the compulsory that one. If your answer is not tally with the bigger number, then we are did the whatever we did the subtraction is wrong. If you are getting same one, will that is the whatever we are following, it will be is a correct. Okay children, now the next one, 9 plus 4 is a 3, 13, 9 plus 4 is 13, 3 down, 1 is carry. Then see here, then 8 plus 1 is a 9 plus 8 plus 7 is 15, 8 plus 7 15, carry 1 is 16, 1 is carry again down, 9 plus 8 is 17 plus carry 1, 18, then carry 1 and 5. Then 8 plus 5, 8 plus 5 is 13, 13 carry 1 is a 14, 1 is carry down, you can write 9 plus 3 is 12, 12 plus carry 1 is 13, 13 3 carry down, 3 down and carry 1, 4 plus 3 7, 7 plus carry 1 is 8. See here, 8 lakhs 34,863. Whatever we did the difference, it will be easy correct. Whatever we did the difference, it will be easy correct. This process we will call, it will be find the difference between the two numbers and check with addition. We are doing the answer is correct or not. The difference we got, it will be correct or not. Then processing, whenever we are addition, the process it will be correct or not, we will know. See, checking subtraction using addition. This is one example. One more example, I will explain the same process. Okay. Second number, nine lakh 70,605, 5,37,863 we got. Now we have to find in the difference and check with addition. Okay, so write down 9,70,605, then 3, 6, 8, 7, 3 and 5. We have to apply first one difference, we have to find 5 minus 3 is a 2. From 0, 6 can't go, then take out the borrow from the before number. 6 is become a 5, then 0 is become a 10, 10 minus 6 is a 4, then we can't remove from 5, 8, then take out the borrow. Here 0 is having 0 value, 0 having no value, we can't take the borrow. From 0, then we can take that before number, 7 is become a 6, from here it will be is a 10, again we are taking the next number to the borrow, 10 is become a 9, it will be 5 is become 15, 15 minus 8 it will be 7. 15 minus 8 it will be 7, 9 minus 7 is 2, 6 minus 3 is 3, 9 minus 5 is 4. Difference how much we got? 4 lakhs. Difference it will be 4,32,742. Then we have to write the what we have to do. Then write with check with addition we can answer we got difference is 4,32,742. 4,32,742 you got. Then see here, then next one it will be 3, 6, 8, 7, 3 and 5. Then what we have to do next one, it will be is a addition. Check with the addition. 2 plus 3 is 5, 6 plus 4 10, down 0 1 carry, then here 16, 8 plus 7 15, 15 carry 1 16, 6 down, 1 is carry, 7 plus 2 9, 9 plus 1 10, down 0 1 carry, 3 plus 3 6, 6 plus 1 7, it will be 0, 4 plus 5 is 9. Then answer should be how much we got? 9,70,605. It will be whatever do it into subtraction and addition. Check with the addition, it will be easy correct. Okay children, thank you.